Greetings, esteemed machinery traders. Welcome back to the Glomacht Global Machinery Trading Channel, your ultimate destination for everything related to the world of industrial machinery. In today's video, we're embarking on a deep dive into a topic of utmost importance for businesses involved in CNC machines, the intricate art of outsourcing CNC machine transport. When it comes to the transportation of CNC machines, there are several critical factors that absolutely demand your undivided attention to ensure a seamless and secure transportation process. Join me on this enlightening journey as we explore the fundamental elements that should be your top priority when considering outsourcing CNC machine transport. First and foremost, the reputation and experience of the transport company cannot be overstated. Opting for a company with a stellar track record in the handling of CNC machines is absolutely paramount. Take the time to delve deep into their credentials, scour online reviews, seek recommendations from trusted sources, and inquire about their extensive experience in the industry. Next, let's delve into the specific requirements of your CNC machine. Given their considerable size, weight, and delicate nature, CNC machines demand specialized handling and equipment. Ensure that the transport company you select possesses the necessary expertise, equipment, and comprehensive insurance coverage to handle your unique machine with the utmost care and efficiency. Moving on, let's shift our focus to the realm of packaging and crating. Safeguarding CNC machines during their journey is of paramount importance to prevent potential damage. It is crucial that the transport company employs appropriate packaging and fixation materials, such as tension straps, custom crates, or foam padding, to shield your machine from vibrations, shocks, and any potential hazards that may arise during transit. Furthermore, effective communication and tracking play a pivotal role throughout the transportation process. Opt for a transport company that offers real-time tracking and regular updates, enabling you to closely monitor the progress of your machine. Transparent communication ensures that you are promptly notified of any delays or issues that may arise, providing you with peace of mind. Last but certainly not least, let's not overlook the significance of considering both the cost and timing of the transportation service. While it is essential to find a transport company that aligns with your budget, it is equally crucial to avoid compromising on quality and safety. Request detailed quotes from multiple companies, carefully compare their services, and take into account the overall value they provide. That brings us to the conclusion of our discussion on the indispensable factors you should consider when outsourcing CNC machine transport. It's worth noting that here at Glomacht, we don't just stop at providing you with valuable insights. We go the extra mile to unburden you from the complexities of logistics and documentation for export. Our commitment to your success goes beyond information. We understand that the logistics of CNC machine transport and the intricacies of export documentation can be daunting. That's why Glomacht offers a comprehensive solution. We take care of the entire process, from arranging secure transportation to handling all the necessary export documentation. When you choose Glomacht, you're not just selecting a machinery trading partner, you're choosing a dedicated team that strives to make your CNC machine acquisition as smooth as possible. We're committed to delivering your valuable CNC machines securely and on time, while ensuring all the documentation for export is in order, saving you time and hassle. Thank you for joining us in today's video. If you found this information valuable and would like to experience the convenience of our logistics and documentation services, please leave us a message or visit our website. Please don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more profound insights. Your feedback is invaluable, so feel free to share any questions or suggest future topics you'd like us to explore in the comments section below.